Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're doing a 15-item practice test on the correct usage of neither nor. If you missed the video lecture, I'll have it linked in the description below. Here's how it works. You'll get 15 fill-in-the-blank questions, and each question gives you 2 choices. Then, you'll have a 10-second timer to think before the answer is revealed. But before we begin, let's quickly review the rule. In order for you to use neither nor correctly, remember these steps. Number 1, find the subject nearest to the verb. Step 2, identify whether it's singular or plural. And lastly, apply subject-verb agreement. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. Ready? Let's get to it. Neither the dog nor the puppies play in the yard this morning. The correct answer is play. Number 2. Neither the manager nor the staff receive the email yet. The correct answer is receive. Number 3. Neither the child nor her parents files any complaint. The correct answer is file. Number 4. Neither the students nor the teacher fills the form correctly. The correct answer is fills. Number 5. Neither the singer nor the dancers to the rehearsal venue. The correct answer is arrive. Number 6. Neither the head nurse nor the assistants prepares the medications on time. The correct answer is prepare. Number 7. Neither the coach nor the players questions the referee's decision. The correct answer is question. Number 8. Neither the vendor nor the delivery guys shows up at the market yet. The correct answer is show up. Number 9. Neither the guests nor the host understands the rules properly. The correct answer is understands. Number 10. Neither the captain nor the crew heeds the weather warning. The correct answer is heed. Number 11. Neither the witness nor the suspects tells the truth during the investigation. The correct answer is tell. Neither the pilot nor the co-pilot have made an emergency landing before. The correct answer is has made. Number 13. Neither the cat nor the puppies throws through the broken vase off the table. The correct answer is through. Number 14. Neither the engineer nor the interns understand the broken circuit correctly. The correct answer is understand. Number 15. Neither the noise from the streets nor the loud voices from inside the room disturb her concentration. The correct answer is disturb. That's it for today's video. How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments below. If you got stuck on any item, feel free to rewatch the explanations and review the lecture linked in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more civil service exam reviewer content. See you in the next video, and good luck!